Hello, good afternoon. This is a little video about the results of the test published this morning. I mentioned there that there is a bit of indistinctness about it, and I would like to clarify how I came up with all the results. When you look in the Excel file, you see the names over here. The points you got for the tests are here: 250, 190, 250, 210, and these are the marks, the grades you got. These are the grades from 0 till 10, 0 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. So 250 results in 7.3, 210 results in a 5.9, and 160 results in a 2.6. How did I came up with these results? You can see here in the second pane. Here you see again the results for chapter 1, 2 and 4, the tests you made. Here you see the amount of points you could score from 0 till 300 up here, and then this is the mark again, 0 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. So when you got 230, you got a 6.3. But now what is important that you see here, that everything from 0 till 110 is marked as 0, and I can understand very clearly that is that is very vague. That could be very vague to you, as normally with a 5.5 you would end up somewhere here at 150, 160, as that's being just over half. How does that happen? And that happened as follows: because we got a multiple choice test. Multiple choice works with Gamble thresholds. Gamble thresholds works as the theory is as follows: that, for example, when you got 10 true-false questions, then you got 5 questions that are true and 5 questions that are false. When you would not read all the questions and you would enter only true to all the 10 questions, you would have 5 questions right. So then you do not have to learn anything, you do not have to convey theory into practice or whatever the question is about. You only have to fill in only the truths, and then you have already 5 right answers. To cope for that, we introduced the Gamble threshold, and when you got 10 true-false questions, then you got 2 answer options, true and false, then the threshold will be 5, being 10 divided by 2. In this test we also got multiple choice questions with 4 answer possibilities. So that is 20 questions with 4 answer possibilities. It's 20 divided by 4 is also 5. So you see that the Gamble threshold would be 10, so we start with 11. And 11 is then 0, and 30 questions is then a 10. These are questions, answer possibilities, Gamble threshold. So the Gamble threshold is 10 for that. that's 5 plus 5 is 10. So the grading starts at 11, 11 being 0, 30 questions right is 10. So this would count as 110 points, and this would count as 300 points. That is that's the reasoning behind the gamble threshold. So the gamble threshold is to cope with all the times that you could end up with all truths, or with all false in the case of 2 answer possibilities, or to cope with you answering every question with option A, every question with option B, every question with option C, or every question with option D. To cope for that, we got the gamble threshold, so that's 5 plus 5 is 10, and then the calculation starts at 11, 11 being 0 and 30 being 10. I hope this clarified a bit of your confusion. If it did not, please send me an email about it. Then I'll try to answer it for you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you very soon. Thank you.